Hello, welcome to Do Hosting. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can register your .tz domain in few minutes. The registration of .tz domain has been made very easy. You can search, you can register, you can pay online without even a single call. It doesn't matter where are you in this world. You can register from the top .tz registrar in the planet. We Dudumizi, we are TCRA accredited registrar. As you can see here, this is the list of all accredited registrar in Tanzania. And in Dudumizi, it's here. It's the top 3 among accredited registrar. So be assured that working with Dudumizi, everything is smoothly and under the Tanzania Commission of Regulatory Communication Regulatory Authority, which is known as TCRA. So to register .tz domain, very easy. Just come to dohosting.co.tz here, and then you can just search your domain. For example, I'll search Selu Marathon 2. This is my domain, and then I can click search. After searching, we have created one-page checkout. The meaning you can register the entire your domain in just a single page. No more clicks, no more like next. Everything is just finished in a single page like this. So I just search for my domain and I can just get the message my domain is available. For example, let's say I search the domain which is not available, like this one. Yeah, bring it on. Yeah. If you search the domain like this, Selous Marathon, let me check dudumizi.co.tz. Yeah, this domain is already registered. So for the domain which is already registered, you will only be allowed to transfer, but will not be allowed to register a one domain because there's only one domain available for specific TLD. If mean like you are .co.tz, you can only register one .co.tz domain. And here you can change any type which you want. So for example, for our case, we register Selous Marathon 2. Then I can search. This is the domain. I can add it to a cart. When you add it to a cart, the cart will calculate based on your selection here. As you can see, this one is showing here which domain you're buying, how much per domain, how many years, and you can see the registration years when you renew. The first time is 22,000. The second year, 24,000. So if you want to register or you want to cut the price, you can register for 3 years, just pay 66,000 instead of paying 75,000. And if the details, everything, you have the promotion code, you can add your code here. And coming down, you can add the name saver for that domain. If you want to register the Dudumizi and you want to host into another hosting company, it's easier. You just come and register the domain with us and then just put the name saver. You can choose the hosting plan if you want. You can come here and you can add your details. For our case, we already registered. If you're already registered user, you can just choose already a member. Then you can just log in and all your details are just being added here. Remember, one account can register 100,000 and the million of domain without any issue. And the good thing, like now we've enabled you to have there is one account and there is this which is a profile manager, and from that account you can host another sub accounts, so you can even run your hosting business directly from the do hosting. You can choose payment method. We have direct pay and we have CRDB and mobile money. The DPO, or we call direct pay, it allows you to pay using Visa and the MasterCard. After you finish, you can just click complete order and your order now has been completed. The next page, you go to the invoice page. Here we come. This is the invoice page. Please make sure all your details are correct, and if everything is okay, you can also print, you can download it for the reference, and then you can click pay using DPO, directly DPO, then direct pay online. In this page, you have to choose the card payment. If you want to choose the mobile money, you can also choose the mobile money. But if you want to choose the card, then you can choose the card. Put all of your details. Be assured we are direct pay that is using secure connection between you and the Visa. So no payment information will be leaked to any third parties. DPO among very trustworthy payment gateway here in Africa. So don't worry about your transaction records. After that, you just click pay now and you finish registration of .tz domain. I hope you enjoyed this process, and it's very easy for you to register .tz domain. See you next video. Thank you.